Are you curious about CBD topicals but don't know which brand to trust? With all the CBD companies popping up everywhere, it's hard to know who's legit and who's selling snake oil with very little to no CBD in the product. My name is Al Morenton. I'm the owner and founder of MOVIDA. Watch this video to get a breakdown of recent lab results for our Rolling Relief Full Spectrum Topical Rollerball and see for yourself why MOVIDA is the clear choice in CBD. So let's dive into the presentation. We'll see you soon. Okay, hey guys, now we're going to go over the lab results for our Rolling Relief Topical Rollerball. Okay, so up here you can see Certificate of Analysis, produced July 1st, 2020. Today is July 14th, 2020, so just 2 weeks ago. The sample is Rolling Relief Topical, client is MOVIDA, and the batch is passed. Okay, so you can see a topical over here. The sample size is 1 unit, which is 1 milliliter. And the bottle, or the bottle has 10 milliliters in there. Okay, so total THC, so this is a full spectrum oil. It has just 0.05896%, which is well within the legal limits of the 0.3. This is 0.05896, so that's awesome. And then we have total CBD of 1.41409%. And the total cannabinoids is 1.54034%. So it adds up to more than what this adds up to because there are other cannabinoids in the oil. Okay, so let's check that out in the actual panel. Okay, so before we go over this, one of the things that you'll notice that's a little bit different than our other full spectrum oils is that the CBC is almost non-existent. We just have very minuscule amounts. Like the LOQ is like the lowest amount that you could detect, and there's not even a number you could put on it, right? So usually we have CBC and CBG in our oil, and this one doesn't have really CBC, but it does have CBG, and it has CBN, which the other full spectrums do not, right? So this is a different oil, and it's for a topical. There's a specific reason we use this specific oil for this topical. Okay, so like we said, this is just a minuscule amount right here. The CBD is 1.41409%, 14.1409 milligrams per gram. The CBDV, which is like a derivative of CBD, there's 0.1194 milligrams per gram. The CBG, there's 0.379 milligrams per gram. And then the CBN is 0.1745 milligrams per gram. So that's really cool. And then the Delta 9 THC, which is the psychoactive part, is 0.5896 milligrams per gram. So one other thing that we'll note is that the acid forms of each one has been fully decarboxylated. So there is no, like the CBGA, the CBDA, you know, all that stuff, the THCA, there's none detected. So we were able to fully convert as it comes out of the plant with the acid molecule attached, we were able to fully decarboxylate the oil and fully activate it. You know, so that's very, very important. So the total THC per unit is 0.5896 milligrams per gram. The total CBD per unit is 14.1409 milligrams per gram. Now we said that it's a 10 milliliter bottle, which is 10 units. So the total THC in the whole bottle is 5.896 milligrams per gram, and the total CBD in the bottle is 141.409 milligrams per gram, which is a pretty good amount for just 10 milliliters, right? So really awesome, another stellar COA, and just another reason why MOVIDA is considered the clear choice in CBD. Okay, so now you have the information you need to make an informed decision and feel comfortable choosing MOVIDA. If you'd like more information about Rolling Relief, I'll post a link in the video description. Also, you are welcome to set up a complimentary consultation if you have questions or concerns about your specific issue. A link to schedule a consultation is in the video description as well. And if you like this video or find it helpful, please let me know by liking it and posting a comment below. Again, this is Al Morenton with MOVIDA. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Peace.